black bottom. Way down in South in Alabama, I got a friend called Dancing Sammy, who plays the ball all the ladies dancing, black bottom stomp and you baby fencing. The other night at a trail affair, soon as the boys found out that I was there, he said, come on, Lord, let's go to the cabaret. When I got there, you ought to hear me say, want to see the dance you call the black bottom. I want to learn that dance. Want to see the dance you call your big black bottom. Just put the end of dance. All the boys in the neighborhood, they say your black bottom is really good. Come on and show me your black bottom. I want to learn that dance. I want to see the dance you call the black bottom. I want to learn that dance. Come on and show the dance you call your big black bottom. Then put the in my pants. Early last morning about the break of day, Grandpa told my grandmother, heard him say, yeah, and he told the old man your black bottom. I want to learn that dance. Now I'm going to show you my black bottom. Wait till you see that dance. Wait until you see me do my